I say welcome back too much. Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're doing a 4-ace production. It's just really flashy and really cool production of any 4 kind, but I use the aces. So let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so for this 4-ace production, we're going to need obviously the 4 aces, or any 4 of a kind that you choose. But there is a setup to this production. So what you're going to need to do is go like about into the half the deck and take a black ace, have it face up, take a red ace, put it face down, doesn't actually matter the color, and then you're going to take a red ace, whatever ace, put it right here, and then leave 1 ace on top here. So you have, so just keep a pinky break, and then you can see we have 1 ace on top, 1 ace right here, 1 ace right here, and a face up ace right there. After you have this setup, you're ready to go. Just keep like a pinky break right here. See that, right? Just where the aces are. What I did in the little performance was I did a riffle force. So basically what that is you riffle down the side of the pack. You ask the spectator to tell you when to stop. They tell you to stop, like right here for instance, and you pick up at the break. It's as easy as that. So there's some subtleties to doing that. Putting your middle finger in there, making it seem like you're stopping exactly where they are. But you're gonna pull up at this right here after you've done the riffle force. You're gonna stop, right here, and then you show them the ace, and then this is what your grip is. You have your middle finger and index right here, the thumb on the bottom, and you're going to have your ring finger curled on the bottom. On the back here. I'll do an overhead view in a bit. And then with this hand, you have a just normal mechanics grip as you pull up. Then you're going to do some patter like, oh, you found 1 ace, and then you're going to make the presentation of you're going to find all the aces. And then just like this, you pop up all the aces. So I'm doing 2 motions at the same time here. The first one is in the left hand. You're going to take your index, curl it over the first card, and kind of drag it off of that packet, and then just make it go out like that. This is the easier of the 2 moves. And what you're going to do is just use your index and just pull down, and then use your pinky to kind of keep the rest of the cards in their place and only pull 1 card down, just like that. Okay? Then, while you're doing that, you're doing a bit of a harder move with the left hand. Your ring finger was curled right here, and that's for a reason, because you're going to put pressure with your ring finger and pressure with your middle finger, and drag this card out in front into this horizontal type thing. So, you're in this grip already. You use this part of your ring finger right here to push against the card, kind of bevel it, but then use your middle finger and bevel it the other way. Put pressure, and it should just slide out like that, right out, and then you want it like on this corner right here, hitting off of this corner. So that'll take some practice, but after you're right here and you do this, that's basically it. That's the 4-ace production. And it doesn't have to be like a full routine. You don't have to use the riffle force. Just bam. You want to try and get it as fast as you can, because it makes it all the more eye-catching. It needs to be fast so that it looks nice. So there's my spot right here. So it's a pretty simple thing. Once you have these 2 moves down, you're good. So yeah, that's the 4 the overhead view of the production. So you have your hingy brake right here with your setup already in place. You can do little force if you like, and then you have this card. You show it to your spectator, and then you have your ring finger right there, and then you're gonna use it and just use pressure to push that card right out, and it should make a horizontal thing. It should stop right at your middle finger right there. And then this move, you're gonna use your index and just pull. Use your pinky to keep that in place, and bam, pull it back, just like that. And you might, sometimes it'll get stuck on your middle finger. Just move it out of the way, and then it'll be flat and ready to go. So both of them together, and I do this like S shape right here. Like I could hold it like this, but I hold it like this so that it just looks cooler in my preference. So yeah, that's the overhead view. Not too much to go over. This move, which will take practice, but once you've got it, it looks really cool when you do it fast. So that's Ace production. Alright, so yeah, that's the 4 Ace production. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I want to give a shout out to my sponsor. He knows who he is, for giving me some new gear to keep going. So I don't know if you've noticed, but the video is probably clearer and probably sounds better. So thank you for that. I took some photos with these cards